Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm doing a chatty get ready with me. I'm getting ready to head off to a hair appointment and I've been debating on what I'm gonna do with my hair. First I'm just gonna go in with my Biore UV Aqua Rich Watery Essence in SPF 50+. Whenever I went to get it cut the last time, I didn't have enough time to get it colored because that was the same day that I had my microblading. And I didn't want to like push the appointments too close, so we just rescheduled for the coloring part. I'm almost thinking that I want her to put more of my natural color in there. But yeah, I'm always constantly going back and forth between wanting to be a brunette and blonde. I'm gonna use the L'Oreal True Match, the new one that I picked up in N0.5, just to show you guys today what this looks like the shade and everything. And this shade in 0.5 matches me better than the N1. And I know that like sometimes with my foundations, they probably seem a little light for me. But with me, I like foundations to match my neck, and then if I need to like bronze up to kind of match my body, that's what I like to do. Because if I did a foundation to match like my arms, it would be way too dark. Like I would have like a foundation line. And I do like this range just because they have so many shades and pretty much anybody can find like the shade that they need. And then I'm just going in with my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. It's like getting ready to storm pretty bad. I hate driving whenever it's storming. Not to mention I don't like getting wet, and I don't like carrying an umbrella, so I don't know. Hopefully it just is like one of those quick summer showers and it's over with. Which it's been actually sunny and pretty nice out all day today, up until like right before I got ready to film. Now I'm just gonna go in with my L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Powder to set this. And I'm so excited to use this makeup today. This is gonna be like my first time using the new Wet n Wild Zodiac Collection stuff. And so this is gonna be kind of like a first impression. Like, I don't know if you can tell how dark it's gotten since I started the video, but I feel like that window back there in the bedroom has gotten so dark. I don't have a new bronzer, so I'm just gonna use, I think I'm gonna use this L'Oreal True Match Let Me Bronze It today because it's been a minute since I have used this and I just wanna use it again. So I'm just going in with my Morphe M437 brush. I don't know if you guys heard that thunder or not. Gosh, I feel like that was so loud. And then I'm just going in with my Real Techniques powder brush and just bronzing up along my hairline. And then for my blush, I'm just gonna do something neutral, which you guys are probably sick of this blush, but I'm just gonna use my Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in Rosé Champagne. I thought I heard Salem or Pepper come in, but they're not in here. They've just been chilling in the living room. I was watching the season finale of The Bachelorette. Today's Tuesday. It came on yesterday, on Monday, but I usually watch it the day after on Hulu. I am happy that she picked Garrett. I mean, I liked Blake, but Garrett was my favorite. I love Garrett. Okay, so I'm gonna try to use a little bit of both of these just to see what they look like on. But these are the new Wet n Wild highlighting bars in Air and in Earth. So I'm gonna go in with Air first. This is the Morphe M504 brush. It's a little bit more precise than like the other like highlighting brushes that I normally use. I just wanna see how this goes using this. Wow. Yeah, that highlight is so intense and pretty. Can you guys see that? It is stunning. It looks so good. Like, they seriously need to make this part of their permanent line. Like, it is so beautiful. I mean, the highlighter has like veining in it, so I can, like, I see the pink, but I also see like gold in there too. And like the veining, it has like pink and gold in there. So, okay, I'm gonna do the gold on the other side, but I'll even them out where they look even at the end, but I just wanna see the difference in these two. So I'm just going in with Earth now. Oh my gosh, this is such a pretty gold highlight. I'm so picky when it comes to gold highlighters, but this is beautiful. So pretty. I think it might almost be, I put it down a little bit too intense. But yeah, that is a gorgeous, gorgeous gold. I'm probably just gonna put gold over top this pink because I feel like, well, I guess I'll put a little bit of both on there. I'm just gonna tap this brush just a little bit in that because it's like a little bit goes a long way. This is my Real Techniques contour brush, just so I can kind of even this out. I'm gonna be super highlighted this afternoon. And then I'm gonna go in with the Air and try to even this out. I just feel like this is way more gold than the other side, but who cares? I'm gonna start a new trend. I wanna use this too, but I'm not going to because it's just gonna be way too much highlight going on. But I'll have to use this highlighting powder in another Get Ready With Me or tutorial or something so you guys can see it in action. But now for the eyes, I'm gonna go in with the eyeshadow palette, the Air eyeshadow palette. I think I'm just gonna go in first with my bronzer in my crease just because this doesn't have a good transition shade since they're all shimmery. So I'm just gonna do that, and I'm gonna use my Morphe M518 brush. And I'm just gonna do just like a quick everyday look, especially since I have to leave in like 15 minutes. So I should have started this sooner, but I just wanted to watch The Bachelorette before I left because I was like, I'm gonna get to my hair salon and somebody's gonna talk about it and then they're gonna spoil it. So I just figured I'd watch it before I left. I'm gonna go in with this gold. It's like a white gold. And I think I'm gonna actually get this brush wet with makeup setting spray because I want it more intense. So I'm just gonna mist the brush with my MAC Fix Plus. I feel like that setting spray made it get kind of weird, which is weird because normally that does not happen with eyeshadow. I'm gonna kind of wipe the brush off for this eye. Yeah, it's so weird. It's like it's not showing up now. Like, what the heck? Let me try again. You know, that color seems like one that might be good to apply with your finger. Like, see how it's, I don't know, it's like making it all chunky with the setting spray. It's so bizarre. All right, let me just try my finger, which is gonna be tough. Okay, yeah. This is definitely like one of those types of colors that applies best with your finger. Like, look at the difference that made. I'm sorry if any of that was out of focus. Yeah, definitely your finger, and it's so intense. Okay. I'm just gonna kind of blend that out a little bit. Hopefully this other color will apply good, like out here, but I'm gonna go in with the bronzy shade over here. And whoa, that's so pigmented. Just gonna pat that out here. Gonna take a little bit of this gold. I got it on my finger and I'm just gonna pop it in between the light gold and the bronze. I'm just gonna go in with this Real Techniques Essential Crease Brush. And I'm gonna get some more of the bronzy color on this brush. And I'm gonna work this here in the outer V. I kind of feel like this corner over here, I kind of got a little overzealous with my outer V color. I'm going to take a little bit more of that bronze and put it just right out here. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with the highlighter, the one in Earth, and I'm going to use this as my inner corner highlight. Which I don't know, maybe I should use that white gold that I used for the lid color, but because this looks like it's slightly a little dark. I bet you that highlight or that shade in that little thing would make a good highlight color too, that white gold. But it's like, it's so small, it would be so hard to use. I know you guys are probably getting sick of me not using any liquid liner, but I'm not going to today. I'm just going to use my Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. For the lips, I picked up the Cancer Gloss from Wet n Wild, and I think it was the Aries. I think I have it in my purse. No, it was the Aquarius, which is like kind of the nudie peachy one. But I kind of want to use the Cancer one as a topper today because I used this the other day. Let's just see what this looks like by itself. It's definitely, I mean, it has that iridescent undertone in it. But it definitely needs to be used as the topper because it kind of has like a white cast look without something underneath. Yeah, I want to go in with my CoverGirl Queen Collection Major Shade in Cakewalk. So I'm just going to put that on first. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and top this with the Cancer lip gloss. So that's what it looks like with the Cancer gloss on top. I mean, it is pretty, kind of gives it like a pink sort of duochrome. I don't know how much I'm going to actually use this gloss because of that white, since it has the whiteness to it, but we'll just see. I'm only going to be able to use that over certain lipsticks. But that is this Chatty Get Ready With Me completed. I have to hurry up and get out the door and go to my hair appointment. So wish me luck. I haven't decided what I'm going to do yet. But yeah, I will see you all in my next video. And I hope that you guys have a great day. Bye-bye.